What you're about to witness is a man's quest to build a life from nothing, armed with only the earth's secrets in his bare hands. He is forging a sanctuary, hidden from the modern world. But is he running from something or building towards a forgotten truth? The answer is etched into every stone he will lay. The first task, to gather the bones of the earth. He prepares the ground, shaping the soil into a foundation. With a mysterious liquid, he transforms the humble dirt into a powerful mortar. The first stones are laid, an ancient pact with the land. Each stone is a word in a silent, unfolding story. His loyal companion watches, a guardian of this sacred space. Slowly, a structuri emerges, destined to hold a hearth. He inspects his work, feeling the strength of his creation. The walls rise higher, a testament to tireless dedication. A closer look reveals the astonishing artistry in the stonework. The final keystone is placed, completing the first chapter. The foundation is complete, a rugged promise of what's to come. He clears the excess, respecting the purity of his design. One final survey before the next transformative phase begins. A peaceful moment. As man, nature, and animal exist in perfect harmony, the project evolves, incorporating steps into the hillside. His focus narrows, crafting what appears to be an outdoor fireplace. He meticulously shapes the mortar, binding the stones together. Again, he turns to the earth, digging a new foundation. A new feature takes shape, a stone bench, born from the wall itself. The ground is leveled, preparing the stage for the next act. The finished wall stands as a work of functional art. Amidst the labor, a moment of tender calm with his furry friend. He digs a trench, hinting at a hidden drainage or structural system. The trench is filled with mortar, a solid core for the next layer. Large stones are now set into place, creating a rugged border. This painstaking process will ensure the structure's longevity. With immense effort, he places a massive cornerstone. Now, he uses a hammer, shaping a stone to fit perfectly. Smaller stones fill the gaps, leaving no room for weakness. He steps back, his gaze filled with pride and satisfaction. Now his attention turns to wood, another gift from the forest. A wooden frame is introduced, a new element in the design. The intricate stonework is a marvel of natural engineering. His companion returns as the wall reaches its final form. The vision expands, now blending stone with rustic timber. He carries the forest's offerings to his building site. The rhythmic sound of the saw echoes through the trees. He arranges the wood into a mysterious star-like pattern on the ground. A different mixture is prepared, perhaps a specialized cement. The purpose of this wooden structure remains a tantalizing secret. He moves the earth, preparing to unite his creations. The wooden logs are now integrated into the stone wall. It's a beautiful fusion of two natural materials. He works on a wooden frame, a guide for the next stage. Every measurement is precise, every cut deliberate. The frame is assembled with simple tools and remarkable skill. He lifts the finished piece, ready to place it in his puzzle. The wooden frame nests perfectly into the stonework. He applies mortar to the logs, sealing them against the elements. This technique has been used by builders for centuries. Another log is brought, adding to the structure's height. An overview reveals the stunning complexity of the design. The structure is beginning to resemble a rustic dwelling, with the final stones in place. A masterpiece of natural architecture is complete. Now, an even more ambitious vision takes shape. The walls are built from whole logs, creating a circular room. He carries materials through the muddy, primordial landscape. The logs are placed with incredible care, creating mesmerizing patterns. A tender moment with his only companion in this vast wilderness. Back to the task at hand. Precision is key. The work is heavy, but his determination is unwavering. The first beams of a roof begin to span the structure. The timber roof will rest upon the solid stone foundation. The dwelling is built into the hillside, becoming one with the earth. He prepares smaller pieces of wood for the interior. He forages in the woods, seeking the perfect materials. On a makeshift table, he cuts boards for the next phase. The interior begins to take shape with the laying of a wooden floor. Each board is carefully fitted, a testament to his craftsmanship. The axe is not just a tool for felling, but also for fine shaping. A modern material appears, a reflective insulation for warmth. He constructs a built-in bench, a place for future rest. The structure is a marvel of ingenuity and resourcefulness. He cleans a piece of wood, preparing it for a special purpose. He works on the back of the stone bench, adding a curved wooden backrest. He steps back to admire the finished piece, a seat fit for a king of the woods. Now, he prepares to pave the earth, bringing order to the wild. He lays flat stones into the wet mortar, creating a durable floor. A new friend arrives, a tiny black cat. Curious about the work, the patio is meticulously assembled, piece by piece. His focus shifts to a new project, building furniture. He cuts small wooden dowels with a pair of pliers. He assembles the legs for a table. Simple nails and a hammer are all he needs. Outside his nearly finished home, he builds a large outdoor table. Each cut is made with the precision of a seasoned craftsman. The rhythmic hammering is the only sound in the quiet forest. The tabletop begins to take shape, plank by plank. With an axe, he carves a notch, a detail of joinery. The wood yields to his skilled hands, revealing the desired shape using a power drill. He assembles a chair with astonishing speed. He continues to add pieces, building a sturdy seat. The final piece of the chair is secured. The completed table sits in its new home, a sheltered alcove. He carries a large wooden panel, the purpose of which is still unknown. He drills into a gnarled branch, creating a custom fixture. High above, he works on the roof of his fantastical home. The structure revealed a stunning, hobbit-like house of wood and stone. With a knife, he carves and fits the final roofing slats. Inside the semi-subterranean home, he lays the floorboards. The home is almost complete, a triumph of natural building. He hammers the final boards into place. His dog explores the new domain. Seemingly approving of the work, he lays down a black tarp, preparing for a waterproof layer. The project is complete. A man and his dog stand before their sanctuary. He enters his creation, a space of warmth and security. He installs the frame for the iconic round window. His work is never truly done. As there's always more to create, the saw sings its song once more. He fetches water, an essential element for the final steps. He mixes cement, a modern touch to ensure durability. The finished home is a breathtaking sight, a dream made real. He carefully fits the glass into the round window frame. With his axe, he shapes a final piece of wood, a finishing touch. He chops firewood, preparing for the first fire in his new hearth. He adorns the round window with a beautiful tile mosaic. He seals the window with a clear pane, protecting it from the elements. On his trusty workbench, he shaves wood for another project. The house now has rectangular windows and a sturdy door. The home looks cozy and inviting. Nestled in the forest, the craftsman is always at work, refining his world. He reinforces his workbench, a vital part of his outdoor workshop. With a chisel, he carves intricate details into the wood. The completed home is a masterpiece of rustic charm. He begins the final, crucial stage, building the roof structure. The final beams are secured, completing the skeleton of the roof. The home stands proudly, a testament to one man's vision. He works on the eaves, ensuring every detail is perfect. The sanctuary is complete, a harmonious blend with nature. He adjusts the wooden door, ensuring a perfect fit. He clears and arranges the stones around his home, landscaping his paradise. A feeling of peace emanates from the finished dwelling. He clears the surrounding earth. The final act of creation. The final shot, a perfect home in a perfect, secluded world. He tends to the living roof, a blanket of green on his shelter. His faithful companion is always by his side. He cultivates the soil, preparing to plant a garden. He reinforces the entrance, laying a border of stones. A beautiful, winding stone path leads to his front door. He looks upon his work with a deep, quiet satisfaction. He didn't just build a house, he built a new reality.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, the one who builds, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.